I am literally buried. And I'm so out of breath right now. It's about 11 o'clock right now. See that building over there? That's where my apartment is. Literally took me about 15 minutes to get over here. There's snow. It is a little past my waist. And I'm cold. That sign over there says, "Have a nice day." Yeah. Have a nice day, Buffalo. Oh my God. There's no way I'm getting out of here anytime soon. Go get my Jeep. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. Yeah, see these little mini mountains over here? Those are cars. And these are cars. And as you can tell, look at the garage doors over there. Snow meets up about halfway. And try to get over to my Jeep. My God. Oh my God. Yeah, I just fell. There's a guy over there attempting to shovel. Yeah, I'm not the only one who has a problem. I'm gonna sit down. Kind of sitting here and relaxing. I'm out of breath. Walking through about 4 feet of snow is actually a lot harder than I thought. Should have done my shit. But I am wearing extra layers right now. I just want to uncover the Jeep a little bit, if that's even possible right now. Oh. Okay. Oh my God. That's the top of my Jeep right now. There's like 3 feet, maybe even 4. Just chilling on top of my Jeep right now. Whew. I'm pretty tired. Alright. I try to walk on the side here. Yeah, there was no way of going into work today. Can't even get in the vehicle. I don't want a shovel. Do have a broom. That's not gonna help. It's like pitch dark in there. Alright, I had enough. Have a good day, guys. One more. Oh, yeah, that's hard. There's a handicap sign.